In this video, I'm going to give you a quick overview of how to use the Prismacolor Watercolor Pencils. This product has a water-soluble binder, which will allow you to get wonderful effects very similar to a watercolor painting. The first way to use the watercolor pencil is just like a traditional pencil. Color in a large area. Next, take your brush, dip it into the water, and then begin to paint the area that you just colored. You will immediately see it begin to liquefy, a beautiful watercolor effect. In addition, you can simply dip the tip of the Prismacolor pencil into the water. Then you can go and fill in those finer detail areas for a similar watercolor effect. Now I want to show you a more advanced technique that you might try with your watercolor pencils. What I'd like for you to do is draw on a separate sheet of paper a couple of different colors. Take your paintbrush, dip it in the water, and mix two colors to create a new color. This will really expand your palette and give you lots of new colors to use. After watching this video, I hope you're willing to get a little more adventurous and try using the Prismacolor Premier watercolor pencils. It will truly turn your coloring book pages into beautiful paintings.